So odds are, if you see it on the back of those 18-wheelers, if you can't see my mirrors, I can't see you. That's pretty much the same when it comes to obstacles. So I can't see. Now look, if I'm going to start working my way around, I still can't see, but could somebody over there see me now?
Yeah, they can see your foot.
Yeah, they can see my foot. And they can shoot right where I'm going to be, or they can shoot where I am. So the first thing that's going to probably be exposed would be my shoulder. So I would draw my firearm, make sure, press check, I got a round in there. Give myself some room. Crowding up on this thing's not always the smartest thing to do. Give myself some room. Be mindful of my foot in the corner. My shoulder. And if that was Roman Lindero standing down there at that yellow square, I'm going to see his shoulder before I see his face. And before I see his face, he won't see my face. Then I roll back behind cover. White buffalo, dead buffalo.